Normally, you wouldn't associate 900cc motorcycles with value for money, but that's exactly what these two spanking new BMW Motorrads intend to be. Yes, BMW has heavily reworked its middleweight range, and the result is this duo, the F900 R and the F900 XR, which have been launched in India. Here are the most important things you need to know about these two exciting motorcycles. The F900 R is a naked, replacing the F800 R, and although it is noticeably heavier than the bike it replaces, it also offers roughly 20 HP more. Alright, so it isn't a jaw-dropping motorcycle, looking more like a really scaled-up G310 R, but you can expect BMW's obsessive attention to detail in terms of a premium finish and build quality. The F900 XR definitely gets your attention though. Styled as a scaled-down version of the hooligan S1000 XR, the F900 XR looks like it's ready to give the likes of the Ducati Multistrada 950 and the Triumph Tiger 900 GT a run for their money. The F900 is available in one variant only, while the XR gets a standard and a pro variant. Built around a bridge-type steel frame, these aren't featherweight bikes, with the R weighing 211 kg and the XR weighing 219 kg. However, BMW has been generous with speccing its 895cc parallel twin engine, which produces 105 HP and an ample 92 Nm of torque. Given that the F900s are the first step up from the G310 range in the BMW family, they have been configured to be city-friendly and even beginner-friendly to some extent. Apart from the fact that they are motorcycles, which means they are inherently cool, the F900s in particular impress because they haven't been skimped on in the slightest. Both get LED lights all around, adjustable brake and clutch levers, a 6.5-inch color TFT display with an appealing layout, a 43mm upside-down fork, and preload and rebound adjustable monoshock as well. They also get 320mm twin discs up front and a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch. This, in addition to a standard fare of 2 riding modes, road and rain, and a dynamic mode offered on the Pro variant of the XR. Speaking of which, the XR Pro also gets a quick shifter and electronically adjustable semi-active rear suspension. Oh, and both also get practical fuel tank capacities, with the R being able to hold 13 litres and the XR holding 15.5 litres, which should definitely see you doing comfortable highway distances between fuel stops. That will definitely have to be the styling. With the likes of the Triumph Street Triple and the eternally cool Ducati Monster to contend with, the F900 R definitely lacks the oomph factor. The XR definitely makes an attempt, but is it cool enough? Why don't you decide and tell us in the comments? And no, you don't really have to keep it civil, you know. If, like us, you expected these bikes to be exorbitantly priced, well, that's not quite the case. The F900 R is priced at 9.9 lakh rupees ex-showroom India, while the F900 XR can be yours for 10.5 lakh rupees. The top-of-the-line XR Pro, meanwhile, is priced at 11.5 lakh, which makes it the most tempting of the lot, given all the goodies it's crammed with. Priced reasonably, these new BMWs ensure you can not only just daydream about buying a big bike during this lockdown, but realistically go out and get one as well. You think otherwise? We'd love to know your opinion. As always, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to ZigWheels for more such motorcycling content. Thank you so much for watching.